Hey there, DoorDash enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Ready to level up your DoorDash game? In this comprehensive video, we'll demystify the art of accepting or declining DoorDash orders, accompanied by real pay-per-mile examples. From understanding metrics to navigating peak times and avoiding hidden pitfalls, this guide is your key to strategic decision-making and optimal earnings. Get ready to master the DoorDash hustle. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for more valuable tips. Let's kick things off by understanding the crucial metrics that influence your DoorDash earnings. One key factor to consider is the pay-per-mile calculation. Determining an ideal pay-per-mile rate for DoorDash can vary based on factors like your location, vehicle fuel efficiency, and personal preferences. However, many experienced Dashers often aim for a pay-per-mile rate between $1.50 and $2.50. This range accounts for both mileage and time considerations, helping Dashers optimize their earnings while maintaining efficiency during deliveries. It's essential to find a balance that aligns with your goals and local market conditions, taking into account factors such as traffic patterns and the cost of living in your area. Keep in mind that experimenting with different scenarios will help you identify the pay-per-mile rate that works best for you and your unique circumstances. Accepted an order? Great! Now, let's talk about efficiency. We'll uncover how wait times and restaurant speed can impact your earnings. The time spent waiting at a restaurant and the overall speed of service can significantly impact your earnings and the overall satisfaction of your customers. Wait times. Keeping an eye on wait times is crucial. Prolonged wait times at a restaurant can eat into your delivery window and potentially lead to a less than optimal experience for both you and the customer. If frequent lengthy waits impact efficiency, consider strategically declining such orders for better results. Restaurant speed. Consider the overall speed of service at different restaurants. Some establishments may consistently have quicker turnaround times, ensuring you can efficiently pick up and deliver orders. On the other hand, if a particular restaurant is known for slow service, it's worth factoring this into your decision-making process. Declining orders from slower establishments can contribute to a more streamlined and profitable delivery experience. Time management. Efficient time management is key to maximizing your earnings. While waiting for an order, consider using that time productively. Respond to messages, plan your route for upcoming deliveries, or even take on additional tasks if possible. Being proactive during wait times can help offset any potential negative impact on your overall efficiency. Strategic decision-making around wait times and restaurant speed allows you to optimize your delivery process. This ensures that you can complete orders promptly, enhance customer satisfaction, and make the most of your time on the road. Your time is valuable, so let's make the most of it. Now, let's navigate through potential red flags and hidden pitfalls that every DoorDash driver should be keenly aware of. Recognizing these warning signs can be instrumental in protecting your time, ensuring optimal earnings, and providing a positive experience for both you and your customers. Low tip orders. Keep an eye out for orders with low tips. While tips may vary, consistently accepting orders with disproportionately low tips might impact your overall earnings. Strategically declining such orders allows you to prioritize those that better compensate your efforts. Remote locations. Delivering to remote or hard-to-reach locations might seem tempting due to potentially higher payouts. However, factor in the additional time and fuel costs associated with distant deliveries. Strategically declining orders to remote areas helps you strike a balance between earnings and efficiency. Protecting your time and income is crucial for a successful Doordash journey. Now, let's delve into the intricate dance of maintaining a strategic balance between accepting and declining orders. While a high acceptance rate is often emphasized, it's equally important to recognize when strategic declining can be the key to optimizing your earnings and efficiency. Low-paying orders. Not all orders are created equal. If you receive an order with a payout that doesn't align with your earnings goals, it's perfectly reasonable to hit the decline button. Prioritize orders that offer a fair compensation for your time, effort, and the use of your vehicle. Unfavorable distances. Consider the distance of each order, factoring in both the pay per mile rate and the overall efficiency of the delivery. While long-distance orders may have a higher pay per mile rate, consider declining if the extended distance leads to higher fuel costs and time commitment. Busy periods. During peak times or high-demand periods, you might find yourself inundated with order requests. While a high acceptance rate is generally encouraged, it's essential to be selective. If an order doesn't align with your earnings goals or if taking multiple orders simultaneously might compromise service quality, it's okay to decline strategically. Maintaining service quality. Sometimes, strategic declining is not just about earnings but also about providing excellent service. If accepting multiple orders simultaneously jeopardizes your ability to deliver promptly or maintain the quality of your service, consider declining to ensure a positive customer experience. Remember, maintaining a high acceptance rate is important for receiving more order opportunities, but it should not come at the expense of your overall satisfaction and earnings. Strategic declining is a valuable tool to ensure that you make the most out of your time on the road and optimize your Doordash experience. There you have it, the ultimate guide to when to accept or decline Doordash orders, complete with real pay-per-mile examples. Apply these strategies, and you'll be making informed decisions that maximize your earnings. If you found these tips valuable, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Dashers. Subscribe for more insider insights, and until next time, happy dashing and maximizing those earnings. Until next time, drive safely, dash wisely, and we'll see you in the next video.